These are breaking inputs coming in on a huge loss to India. Padma Vibhushan Pandit Jasraj has passed away. This is at the age of 90. He's had a very long active career, active right up to the end, even during the period of the lockdown. Passing away, he's no more. Our classical music legend, the national treasure, has passed away in New Jersey. Let's get in further details here of what more is known, but the incredible treasure and legacy that he leaves behind. Remember Pandit Jasraj, who was at the age of 90, with having established himself as a major voice in Indian classical music, vocal. Managing editor Vinay Tiwari with us here on this. Vinay, this is a devastating loss. Of course, India has enjoyed his expertise, his skill for a long time. He's passed away at the age of 90. He was active right up to the end. He led a very active life. He was doing online concerts even in the midst of this lockdown here. It is a terrible loss to us.
Absolutely. I mean, former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who's no longer alive himself, once called him Pandit Rasraj. He didn't call him Pandit Jasraj. And he said, you are the Rasraj of India. You're not really Pandit Jasraj. In fact, that name that Vajpayee, as a Prime Minister, gave Pandit Jasraj ultimately ended up becoming a title of a book that was written on him. Look, the younger generation may not know much about Pandit Jasraj, but he was probably the most modern old classical singer that you can imagine. You mentioned him about taking online classes. That's absolutely true. He was taking classes on Skype till as recently as possibly last month, and he said so in an interview himself that he gave to PTI. He was also one of those classical singers who possibly never lamented about the time having gone by being better. He made a virtue out of saying that everything is good about the current life. There is always good or bad in every era, and I'll be the last person who will say that the bygone era was better than the current one. I remember personally, Seher, how, when we were in college and growing up, we were all part of the Spick McKay. And Pandit Jasraj was possibly the easiest artist that we could find, even though he was a legend in those days as well, because he was so eager to help youngsters and to teach them and to make them understand the nuances of Indian classical music. I just wanted to take 30 seconds to recount one personal experience that I had with him. There was a lecture demonstration series that was happening in Bihar, where Spick McKay was not present earlier. And he was part of the circuit. When he reached the stage, the students there were very unruly. And they actually did not appreciate any bit of the classical. Now, most of the students who were organizing it were obviously very disturbed by the fact that the larger community was not responding well. I can't even explain in the next 20 minutes when he asked for the concert to be stopped and then simply changed the narrative. He said, I will not recite any, Indian raga. I will simply play Hindi film songs for you. But I will teach you ragas through that. And he picked up 4 of the most popular Hindi songs that we had in Bollywood and then told them that this is the raga on which it has been set and it's a pure form of setting that raga. That same crowd, which was extremely unruly, ended up touching their feet when the concert ended. So that was the kind of communication ability he had with the youngsters. And I think he remained in touch with them till possibly his last breath. And I think that is why he's probably the greatest musician, or one of the greatest classical musicians we've ever produced. So,
Yes, that's just such an incredible memory and incident to recount, Vinay, and sharing this with us. Only further goes on to say that in a sign of a true artist, of a true legend, is to take along the heritage, take along the skill and the expertise, and continue being with the times. The latest that he has been heard, of course, was for the Sankat Mokat Temple Festival, which is in Varanasi. And he was available. This was in the midst of the lockdown here just a few months ago. And he was available all the way from the United States to be available, to be doing this concert, to be performing for this special Mahotsav online.
Absolutely. I mean, again, for those who may not understand what kind of relevance or importance Pandit Jasraj had in the world of music, and I'm not just saying as an Indian, but in globally, there is an International Astronomical Union that periodically, uses names of very celebrated stars or personalities and names planets after them. Now, in the past, they have used in the world of music. You have Mozart and Beethoven and Pavarotti as the artists on whom planets have been named. Pandit Jasraj is the only Indian who's also got the unique distinction of having a planet named after him. So if somebody actually goes to the NASA website and punches in the particular coordinate, you can actually see that a minor planet has been named after him. Now, that's the reason I gave you the example was to tell you that he wasn't just possibly the greatest classical singer that we had in India, but he was globally recognized that way. Across the world, his ability to hold court and talk to audiences, his communication was absolutely beyond comparison. Many artists, Seher, are great in performance, but they're not very communicative off the stage in the sense of being able to talk to people or engage the audiences. But he was remarkable that way. He was a modern man. Even at the age of 90, he was extremely modern and had very liberal thoughts as well. And his daughter Durga, who's also been a singer herself, has recounted hundreds of tales about how Pandit Jasraj was probably the most remarkable classical singer we've had in this country.
Yes, please stay on with us, Vinay, because we were also getting more voices from Indian music. We have a singer, Miss Malini Awasthi, with us over the phone line. Malini ji, thank you for being with us. Your first thoughts, or what first comes to your mind on this incredible, unmatchable, priceless legacy that Padma Vibhushan Pandit Jasraj has left behind?
Oh, the first thought is that this is definitely irreparable loss, because ever since, we started learning music, he was there like a planet, He was singing, so much to learn from him. And he kept shining all our lives. He was somebody to look up to. And I think India has lost, we all artists have lost the representative sur of our music fraternity, I would say. He was like this grandfather, and I have had great fortune of meeting him at his home in Bombay, where in fact we discussed so much about the Bhakti traditions, because that was another beautiful aspect of his personality, that he had grown very spiritual. And every year he would come to Sankat Mochan Sangeet Samaroh in Kashi and perform. That was his a tradition that he followed even when health did not allow him to. And I also feel that he was one of the first artists, probably the first one to start an endeavor where all artists could come together for a platform. He encouraged his daughter Durga Jasraj to form it, and it was great to see all artists come together and join. I would say it's a big loss. He built up such a great fraternity across the nations. You have Pandit Jasraj's disciples in each and every corner of the world, each and every country. And I remember I visited Pakistan a few years back. I think this was 10 years back. I had a performance there in Karachi. And I was quite apprehensive about the response, how it would be taken. But I still recall how they would really worship Pandit Jasraj. So that was his appeal, that was his strength. It's a great loss, and I just offer my humble pranam to him and Vinamra Shraddhanjali.
Malini Awasthi ji, thank you so much for speaking with us here, sharing your grief, your thoughts in this very difficult time. All of us here across the country should be marking this as a huge loss to the country, as a huge personal loss here in losing a legend. But then again, with the hope that we will continue to enjoy this treasure of his legacy that he's left behind, we're going to be slipping into a very